Hey everyone, Agent Rob Schwab here, and today we're going to look at how to estimate your plan for 2017 health insurance, also estimating your subsidy at the same time. You'll be able to see the prices after applying your estimated subsidy. So open up your browser, you're going to go to healthcare.gov/C-plans, SEE-plans, and hit enter. And go ahead and enter in your zip code, whatever that may be. Choose your county. And you can skip this, just always put no just for ease, and we're going to skip a lot of the stuff. We're only going to put in the necessary information to get the quickest quote possible. So this is who is in your household. How do you file taxes? If you're married, do you file jointly? Side note, if you're going to receive a subsidy, you have to file jointly if you're married. Do you claim dependents? Whatnot. So for me, I am married, so it's me and other people. My wife and I file jointly. And yes, I am married. And for the sake of making a good example, we're going to pretend like I have two kids. Right now, my wife and I don't have any kids, but let's pretend like we have two. So we're going to pretend like we claim two dependents. Yes. And two kids. Enter in however many dependents here you claim. On your taxes, how many dependents do you claim? Whether they be kids, nieces, nephews, parents, whatever it may be. However you file taxes. So now you enter in some information about everybody. And this is regardless if they need health insurance or not. So you're going to go ahead and put in your age. I'm 31, I'm a male, and none of these really apply to me. Well, actually, we're pretending like I have kids, so we'll pretend like my kids are under 19. I'm obviously not pregnant, I'm not a tobacco user, I do need health insurance, I'm not eligible for anything else. So I'm going to continue on. My wife is also 31, she's a female, and she is not eligible for any coverage, she needs it. She is a parent, not pregnant, and she does not smoke tobacco. Now, it's real important, if you did not need coverage for somebody, let's say my wife did not need to be on this policy, I can click this button, regardless if she's eligible or not. You click this button, this person will not be included in the quotes. So keep that in mind. That'll help you out if you're looking for, a little more customized plan. I'm going to continue on. My children, let's say I have an 8-year-old son, and none of these apply to him. And let's pretend like they're twins, and I have an 8-year-old daughter also. None of those apply to her. Okay, so I have my family information in here. Nice little menu. This is new this year. Makes it nice and easy to edit the family if you need to. If not, continue on. Now you're going to estimate your income. This is specifically going to be adjusted gross income. Before taxes, but after any deductions you may claim. And this is expected for 2017. And again, to make a good example, my family of 4, I'm going to pick something that's going to get a pretty good subsidy. So I'm going to put in 40,000. Now, this is where it all comes into play about how much you get on your subsidy. They look at your family size and they look at how much you make as a family. So I would estimate how much money I make plus how much money my wife expects to make in 2017, any money we may receive from our kids or our dependents, and add it all together. And again, they're specifically looking for adjusted gross income if you do have your taxes and you want to estimate it on previous years. So now it breaks it down. Shows me how much my estimated tax subsidy is. This tax subsidy is going to automatically be applied to the prices. I'm not going to see this money. I'm just going to pay less monthly for my health insurance. So I'm going to continue on, and this is where we're going to skip a bunch of stuff. After you put your income in, just basically skip anything else they ask you to enter in. It's going to get you there the quickest. It doesn't really affect anything too significantly for these quotes. So now they pull up the quotes. Again, just skip past this stuff. If you really want to know, you know, read around here, kind of just a little tutorial, but just for the sake of getting some prices, we're going to click past them very quickly. If you do qualify for enhanced plans, they show it to you here. So you can qualify for a subsidy, which lowers your monthly rate. You can also qualify for reduced cost sharing, which may lower your deductibles and doctor copays and things like that. When you qualify for that, it's only applied to the silver level plans. So you could automatically go see them here, or just click see all plans, which is what I click. And you can get some filters here, go back to refine results if you need to, and change anything that you might need. Okay, so now we're back here and we're looking at our plans. They start them off at the bronze. It's all metallic. So you hear bronze, silver, gold, platinum. Platinum's the best, bronze the lowest level of coverage. Bronze is high deductibles. Sometimes you find copays. That's where you'd find them here. But these, as you see, are going to be our estimated rates. So for my entire family without the tax subsidy, it'd be $518.88. But with the subsidy, it's only $106.19. This is the cheapest plan available in my area right now. This happens to be from Blue Cross Blue Shield. No copays, so when I go to the doctor, it's going to be a varying amount. That does not mean you do not pay anything. That means when you go to the doctor, there's not a set price. So that's a little rough. No, nothing for generic medications either. I'm sure I get in-network discounts, but it's pretty bare bones coverage, high deductibles. And of course, you can scroll down and see all the other options as we come. A lot of Blue Cross, a lot of Molina, in Florida at least. Just go through all your options. This kind of gives you your quotes, shows you your subsidized rates, and you can enroll right from here, which is where you go on to create an account and do other things like that. Alright guys, I hope this helped. A quick little video on how to estimate some prices based on your estimated tax subsidy for 2017 for health insurance. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. Also, go to RobSchwab.com for help with all kinds of health insurance, all kinds of insurance in general. And if this did help you out, please like, subscribe, and share with your followers. Until next time, guys, I'm Rob Schwab.